guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tailgate season is just around the corner, and today I want to share with you 3 super easy and delicious ideas to surprise your friends and family without breaking the bank thanks to Sam's Club. When planning the ultimate tailgate, start with Sam's Club because they have the gear you need to represent your team and win guests without breaking the bank. Sam's Club have many options of appetizers, dips, and many mouth-watering desserts. Enjoy a variety of member benefits such as Sam's Cash, which is cashback you earn while you get ready for tailgating season. Shop at Sam's Club during tailgate season. Link will be in the description box. Now let's get started. Okay, so first we're going to begin by making our lonches. Here I have my bolillo bread. I'm just going to cut them open. Okay, so I'm going to be adding some avocado. Sprinkle a little pepper. A little salt. I'm going to be adding pepper jack cheese. And here I have turkey, ham, salami. So we're going to be making different kind of sandwiches. The first one, ham. And of course, just make sure that your hands are nice and clean. This is going to be my sandwich, so I love onion, tomatoes, our lettuce. And on my other bread, I'm going to add mustard. And just like that, we're going to set it on our plate and make all of our lonches. Okay, so once we have all of our sandwiches, now we are ready to make our delicious chicken dip. Okay, so now we're going to grab our cheddar cheese and we're going to shred it. Okay, so I'm only going to use about 1 pound. So that should be good. I'm going to set it to the side. Okay, so Sam's Club already have the buffalo chicken dip put together for us. So we're just going to transfer it to a baking dish. It smells so good already. Going to even it out. Okay, now we're just going to top it with some cheese. Okay, so once we have it all like that, we're going to bake at 400 degrees until the cheese melts. Okay, so after 10 minutes, our dip is ready, and I'm just going to top it with a little green onion, just to add a little color in there. And you can also set it in the broiler so that your cheese can get a little crispier. But for me, this is perfect. And we have that. And now we're ready to make our wings. Okay, so members marked have boneless chicken bites. These are our favorite, and I'm just going to be sticking them in the air fryer at 400 degrees for about 10 minutes. So let's get that going. Okay, so while we have that going on, we're going to make our sauce, and we're going to melt half a stick of butter for about 30 seconds in the microwave. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to mix it with 1 cup of your favorite hot sauce. Okay, so now we're just going to wait for our chicken. Okay, so once our chicken is done, we're going to dump it into a bucket or bowl. Just be careful because they are hot. Okay. We're going to pour our sauce. And mix it. Okay, now we can transfer them to our serving plate. That is so good. And now we can get ready for the fun part. Alrighty guys, and just like that, we can go sit down and enjoy our game. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, 3 super easy and delicious ideas to surprise your friends and family this tailgate season without breaking your bank. So make sure you shop at Sam's Club. The link will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.